to expose arts from Pakistan, bring people from outside in. So people started slowly accepting that as an idea, and that is the difference. Because art before the Biennale was commercial. You go to the gallery, you like an artist, you buy an art or whatever, you haggle for the price or you don't. If you have the big deeper pockets, you don't haggle. But otherwise you buy art. But the Biennale is usually and is always essentially to expose the city, the people and the art together. And that idea is now embedded, understood by them. So they come here to look at interesting works. They bring the family in. Many people actually come plan their visits to Pakistan, the diaspora. They come to Pakistan during the Biennale. Take bhi lenge, mill bhi lenge, that kind of thing. So that has become a very important element of the.
My question is, so what difference do you notice, like from as compared to the first Biennale to this one? Do you think people are more interested now?
Very right now, yes, they're more interested. When we started in 2017, people were trying to question what are you doing here? Kya ho raha hai? Do you sell art? Do you buy art? Why are you
marginalized communities, which exists? So it's responding really well to that space. So I think, yeah, all of these. I think what I was looking for, when you bring work which becomes site specific, to me it's not only you just need to look at a space, right? There is not more around there, right? The data becomes site specific, the narrative becomes site specific, the conversation between those works becomes site specific. Yeah, so.
I would say that there are two layers to the locations. One layer is, as Faisal has said, which is curatorial in nature, and how you have this conversation between the work and the location. And some of them are historic sites, heritage sites. The other one is how we, as the Karachi Biennale Trust, translate our vision through the heritage sites. We have been using sites that have been neglected, dilapidated, and we have gone and discovered them and worked with the owners and custodians of those sites to bring them visibility. And of course, it all eventually boils down to the fact that we want people to go there instead of these sites disappearing in the next 50 years and being taken over by commercial plazas. We want people to see them and cherish them and have some memories of them. So I think that's this whole thing coming together in the Biennale.
The venues were already being used in 17 and 19 among others.
We already have venues, we have new venues, but except we gave him the venues, except for IPA, which is the university.
But the point here, which is a very interesting point, how you build a narrative, right, within the works, right? Why Russia has this amazing space, right? And what is the relationship of Russian work within this thought?
art comes out of the galleries, the commercial vendors, to the public, get access to the public, and share the art with the people. This is the third Biennale, and we follow, one of the reasons why we started it is to ensure that the people reconnect with the city. Because this is been one of the tremendous successes of our system. Because many people have remarked the places where we have art now, they haven't been to it for 20 years, or 30 years. Oh, right, I used to go there, and I haven't seen it. So that's And the second is that we want to access people, and so we have no fees, no entrance fees, we have no commercial content. People do not have to buy a cinema. Or we asked to speak about the historical perspective of Biennale. It's a short history, it started in 2015. So, but essentially the whole idea was for people who are interested in the arts and education to do something for the city.
This is Nila who initiated the Kalamas Biennale several years ago. We'll now ask Anasa to say a few words, and then Nila, and then wonderful people.
Hello, my name is Erin G. I'm Julia. I'm Viv. And we are Audio Placebo Plaza. For 4 days only in Karachi, Pakistan, we are here to meet with the community, offering healing frequencies, ASMR, hypnosis, binaural beats. And after these meetings, we are going to be creating a special healing music album that is made from the conversations that we have with people who have made appointments with us. So, based on these appointments, we create a custom audio piece for them, which will heal them from a wide variety of ailments which we can treat, from physical pain, mental health, sleep problems, a lack of energy, and we draw from a variety of expertise in order to create these. And yeah, our appointments are pretty full, but we still accept one walk-in a day. And if you want to listen to our previous placebos, you can go on our website, audioplaceboplaza.com, and yeah, listen to our previous works and stay tuned for the upcoming Karachi edition healing album that's gonna come out in a week or so.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, so my name is Victoria and I'm the creative director of Invisible Flock.
And my name's Ben and I'm a technical director at Invisible Flock Studio.
And we're a studio of artists and we're based in the north of England in the UK.
And the piece that we're showing here at KB22 is called Microtonal. It's a collaboration between our studio and a traditional musician called Fakir Zulfikar and a potter called Ala Jurio, who's a 90-year-old craftsman who lives in the Tar Desert a couple of hours outside of Badin in Sindh. And what we've done is collaborated with them, working with an instrument called the barindo, which is a small clay round instrument, looks like an insect's nest, that is played by blowing into it. And we've worked with them to explore the sounds that it makes. There's only one known craftsman who makes it and one known musician who plays it. So it's an instrument that's almost on the verge of cultural extinction. And what we've done is we've created some electronic circuits, one for each of the 200 barindos, that are tuned to the exact resonant frequency of each instrument. And in the space, in the installation, it's listening to the sounds that it hears in the space, but also from some recordings of the musician playing. And then it plays back. And so if a barindo hears its tone, it will respond by playing back. And so in the space, you sort of have this very meditative, sort of immersive sound space made up of 200 different tones of individual barindos.
Oh, that's amazing. Thank you. Thank you.